So hey guys, good morning. So today's day 112. So now I am ready to go tuition. From come back from tuition, I'll go to the college. So now I am going to the tuition. Let's go. So guys, I just had a meal. Before that, I come back from college. Now I am going to do my some regular task. After that, I had to make a schedule that I want to follow that follow this. Now I'm going for my regular work. After that, time will be. Then I'll go to the tuition. So guys, now I want to complete my regular task and some writing work also. The next assignment has arrived, so that I want to complete them. Even uh, I want to improve today's day. I had not did I did not do yesterday's uh, mistakes, so that also I want to improve. Just I spoken topic two topic I did speak, so that I can speak only 1 minute. So you can see that I am so nervous to speak. So guys, whatever it is I want to speak, but just so now I am doing my regular task. Let's go. So guys, I just came back from tuition. So now I want to do my regular task as well as whatever I have work that I want to complete, and still I did not have completed any work. So first of all, I want to complete my main task, that is meditation, and then after that I want to complete regular task. And even I don't have completed vocabulary and find out mistake in my daily speaking English. So guys, now I'm going to have fresh. After that I'll complete the meditation, and that after that I will have meal. So guys, today I am so tired because after 3 days or 4 days I uh, I I have gone to the college. Then um, when I come back from college, I was so tired, and that's why I'm feel so lazy and tired also. And my mind is also and I'm very sleepy. So after finishing all the tasks, I'll sleep as soon as possible. So guys, now I'm going to fresh. After that I'll do meditation. So let's go. So guys, I have completed one of the most important tasks in all the days, and this 365 days is meditation. So now I want to complete the vocabulary. After that and yesterday and 2 days which I make mistake, this I want to improve. And I'm not sure that what I'm speaking in front of camera and in whole day, but I definitely know that I'll improve my speaking English just from daily speaking. Everywhere I make mistake about the vocabulary and making sentence, that will improve in some days. So I know my I know that I'll do this. There is no environment to speak with any partner, so that's why I'm speaking in front of camera, and as well as speak with AI. So now I want to complete vocabulary. After that I'll not do any more studies because I'm so tired today due to college, and there is lots of I had there is lots of work. So that's why I'm tired. uh, my co- my class, which is on the fourth floor. So and there is lift, but it's not usable for students. So Guys, now I want to complete my regular task, so let's go for the regular task. And guys, I made I did make I made a schedule, but it's not followed. I want to complete one assignment and some of important tasks, but I did not complete it due to less due to uh, less time, and some of regions are there. So by the way, we'll complete soon. So now I'm going to complete my regular task, so let's go. So guys, still I did not complete my vocabulary because there was a call. So that call was also important, so that's why I was not completed my this work. So now I am going to complete. After that I will have a meal because the time is so, there is a so much time. So guys, I want to complete my vocabulary, and so I'm so tired, so I can't complete more tasks. And but I will complete the regular I will complete regular task. So now I'm going to complete my task, so let's go. So guys, I just had a meal. Now I want to sleep because I am so irritating whole body. I don't know why it is running. So guys, I'm going to sleep. In my body, I think due to sweat my body is getting irritated. So let's get sleep, and uh, we'll complete our task. So, and after we'll sleep. So guys, I'll upload this video. After that I'll sleep. So today's vlog is end here, so bye bye.